Trust Badge add-on just adds this little box here, essentially adding more credibility to your store by associating yourself with these brands. Now, these brands are just put in here by default, but you can change it to your heart's content. You could have an Ethereum sticker or a Debutify sticker. By selecting this image, that'll replace those brands. And then you can change the text underneath it. Of course, you can change this text to be above or underneath, or change the image size. And then you can also change it to be in a separate section or under the checkout button. Here we can see in separate section, or we can put it underneath the checkout button. Let's just have a look at that without the image. Beautiful. To activate the Trust Badge add-on, just head down to the theme settings, open up the Debutify add-ons tab, and then just find Trust Badge. Once you've found it, make sure that this is checked on, and you'll be good to go. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.